just go buy her a brand new fur. Well, that got me thinking. We ain't got no money for nothing like that, and I'm too afraid to steal. But the problem finally solved itself. Let's see.
Around 62. 52,
No.
62.
But the problem finally solved itself on Highway 52. No, that's where it goes. But the problem finally solved itself on Highway 52. No, that ain't the way it goes. I forgot it. That's long.
Anyway,
But the problem finally solved itself like a boat right out of the blue. It jumped out in front of me over here on Highway 52. that big old German shepherd.
Who was coming?
I forgot that.
I about had a pit bull one earlier, so.
Big old German shepherd. My truck he didn't see. He went to doggy heaven and left his hide here for me. For a month in the basement, I worked on it every night. It was trial and error, and I finally got it right. Put it in an old cardboard box, took it up to her. She French kissed me. She seen her brand new fur.
Oh,
She
Lord.
got that big old fur coat, goes all the way down to her knees. She been complaining lately that her closet's full of fleas.
No.
She don't know. See, she don't know what it. She don't know she's putting on the dog when she goes out at night. I forgot it. She's been real depressed lately since I backed out over her cat. But she's gonna be real happy when she sees that new fur hat.
Oh, gosh. Lord have mercy. It's genetic.
Bless his heart.
Lord love him.
Satellite.
I'm sorry what that means.
Satellite. Watched all day and I watched all night.
You forgot that
I
one.
forgot
You
that
that one.
That's a good one.
It is.
It's a good
They
one.
don't even believe in those. The flat earthers keep telling us they don't exist.
I had no mortal fear, for I had never known him at all. But God sent an angel that only my eyes could see. He was dressed all in white and surrounded by light. Oh, thank God for the love shown to me. For the rest of my days, God will show me the way since His messenger entered my life. I'm a part thank God for the love shown to me.
I would just like to say that the oven is on tune. It's on tune.
I ain't seen a load he can't pull, and I ain't bragging. I forgot.
I made a friend.
Huh?
My mom on a second visit. Oh, right.
Don't worry about
He's
the
a
dog.
mess.
Kids, and she laughed at him. It was funny, wasn't it? And he said, "Don't worry about the mule, just load the wagon." It's funny. You know, I never heard that song.
No. Never.
Gosh, that string right there, look at you're rusted too.
You ought to see my mandolin strings. They're horrible. I've lost one. I tuned it not long ago and one of them broke, and I thought, I'm going to lose an eye. I better put me some glasses on.
Over the years.
Well, you better
Put my
not, because
cape
it's
on there.
worth so much money. What is this? Brazilian rosewood, right?
Yeah. Yep.
One of the last
There's
Martins
serial
made out of
number
that.
in there. We looked it up once on the computer years ago. Thing's old. Daddy's been dead, since 2000, 24 years. Mama got it about 10 years before he died.
Yeah,
Yeah, at least 10.
at least.
Oh, no, he couldn't turn over for 7 years, so. Oh.
No, you got it when I was around
They got it right after
16,
they
around
moved to
15,
Roanoke.
16.
They got it right after the Rome, 75. 76.
Did Jesse play guitar?